bitch ain't working.
He couldn't get you? What he was pulling you with?
A little truck, like a little regular. He said his four-wheel drive don't work, so that's what another man, he was gonna help me out too. Fuck. I ain't got no chain?
Yeah, I got one. I got a strap.
You gonna try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
You got four-wheel drive?
I got enough though. If you work with me, I got enough. Let me see how bad it is on the back side.
Yeah, man, they were supposed to come since fucking 12 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Talking about he in Rosedale. Rosedale 20 minutes away, man.
Yeah, that's not. Yeah. See what I can latch on to without damaging nothing.
Get on, we might be able to.
All right. Let me get over a little bit more.
Alright, you good? I'll get the key for this dip ground on the side. Might be better than that on the top for you.
Right.
Get over a little more and then I'll see how much job I got. Way out the way. Way from Belgium. This my Friday route. All this rotate, pull down, around, get all that. I go back and pull that that bad road, then I gotta go to Denver Springs and then down. See if you can get about this. Well, it don't matter. Like if you get further, I get closer.
All right. Let's see if I can get y'all some. Flip the camera around, let's see. You ready? Teamwork make the dream work, man.
Where you trying to go? I had to go to 9, but what you think the best thing is 9? 1 9? Yeah. That's the way I was supposed to be going. Yeah, well you can make it this drive, you just ran on the side here.
Yeah, you gotta stay in the middle.
You're gonna have to either try to keep coming back up the hill, but I don't know if you're gonna slide over or what. Try to get back into the middle. But bag up, don't go forward. Bag up? Yeah. Keep bagging up like you're doing. Till you get in the middle of the road. You wasn't nobody passing on the side but you. All them tracks in the middle of the road. wanted to slide. That's how I get over here. That motherfucker just, I was coming up this road. That motherfucker just went to slide. So when it got over here, I said, man, that bitch ain't about to flip on me. I took my feet off the gas on that motherfucker.
Alright, just keep your wheels just like you is now and try to come back till you get the middle of the road.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out your way. I'm gonna try and flip around right quick and see if I can.
Hello?